Hello traders, and welcome to my 17th Bitcoin Trading Challenge video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about two trades that I had taken in the past, one trade that I just took about 10 minutes ago, and then finally a tip that I've noticed that is quite useful when determining price's direction, and I'm going to talk about that at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's talk about my first trade. So back on August 9th, I had bought here. As you can see, I had seen a lot of strong bullish movement up into what looked to be an ascending triangle, as you can see, with shared resistance here. And I saw that there was strong bullish movement with good volume, so I bought into this red candle right here. And I bought this, and I held this for a long time, as you can see. And unfortunately, I did not sell it at a good price. I sold it at a decent profit right here, right before it went down, because this looked like a evening star formation, so I just want to ditch the trade. And then I would rate this trade as not the best trade I had taken, but I still want to show you guys just to show a little bit of a not so good trade that I had. And here was more of a long-term trade, as you can see, because my entry was subpar. I had bought here on this candle, on this hammer, because I had seen a lot of strong bullish momentum. I held out here because this only retraced 61.8% of the retracement, and I got to catch all this. And I actually sold this at a pretty good price. I sold it right here, which led to a pretty good profit, actually. And this is pretty self-explanatory. A strong red bearish candle. I really wanted to get out of this trade because I had seen a strong bearish candle, and I thought the price was about to go down. In reality, it took a few more swings, and then price went down. So those were my two trades in the past that netted me about 35 bucks. And then my most recent trade I think is quite interesting. I'm going to talk about that now. I just bought this at the price of 295, as you can see right here. I bought 12 Ether at 295. And when I say 12 Ether, that's because part of this is part of the Bitcoin Trading Challenge, and the other part is just with my own capital. So actually, it was 3.5 Ether were part of the trading challenge. So think about it that way. And also, this is my transaction history if you are curious about some past trades that I had done, and also the trades I had shown you, just for proof. Here they are. Okay, so let me talk about this trade and the useful tip that I was talking about. The reason I got in this trade was because of the 61.8 retracement. This right here. You can see that a tail did pierce it, but because price wasn't able to close below 293.89, I decided to buy this. I thought this would be a really good spot to buy. It really looked like it. So then when I saw this doji form on really good volume, then I had seen price begin to come up, and I bought this about 10 minutes ago at the price of 295, like I just showed you, which is right here. And something that I noticed that I think I've explained before, but is very important in looking at volume, is I would highly recommend, no matter what your time frame is, look at the 5-minute volume, because this really shows a lot about price's direction. If you look here at this 5-minute volume, we have a strong bullish hammer here with fantastic volume. We also have a strong bullish engulfing candle here with fantastic volume. If you look at where you get spikes in volume, it's usually reversal points or breakouts. As you can see here, breakout to the downside. As you can see here, reversal with strong volume. And as you can see right here, reversal again. And it continues here. This one was a breakout as it moved downward. This was a reversal. As you can see here, price went downward after this. And so on. Yeah, in a good reversal candle here. So, and here too. As you can see, it seems like very high volume really indicates reversals. And whenever you see that, I would highly recommend buying or selling based on the market conditions. Because that's the reason why sentiment changes. When a lot of people act all at once, that's when price changes direction. So that's it for the first half of this video. In the second half, we're going to be going over exactly how this trade went, because I want this to be more of a live trade like my older videos. I know my more newer Bitcoin trading challenge videos, like I just did with the past two trades, I've just been talking about the after and not the before and after. But because I had just bought into this right here, I want you guys to bear with me on this trade and see how it goes. I plan to sell if we go below the 78.6 retracement at 290, and I plan to, for a stop loss, and I plan to sell around here-ish. Around the 300 seems good, or maybe higher if we get some strong bullish momentum. 300 is the 61.8 retracement of this move. So that's going to be it for the first half of this video. Let's see how this pans out. Hello traders, and welcome again to my 17th Bitcoin Trading Challenge video. So I had bought here with the intention of selling around 300 and also at around 290 if price went below that. And what ended up happening was quite strange. I'll show you. I had bought here, then I'd seen this heavy retracement with good volume. And then I saw a bullish candle here, and then a very strong bearish candle right here with very good volume. This looked absolutely terrible. So what I did was I sold my position right here. When price barely went up, I sold. There is a good side and a bad side to what I did here. The bad thing is that price went up exactly to 300 as I predicted right after. And the really good thing is that price is now not doing too well down here at around 275. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't buy and hold, because I would have lost $20 in Ether profit, which would have been around, which would have been hundreds of dollars of lost money. But thankfully, I just sold right here. I think with 2020 hindsight, I'm actually not that disappointed in this trade. I think that this high volume bearish bar is a very good place to sell. And then I didn't even sell right away. Instead, I waited for price to go up, but then I sold here. I think this is fine. I don't think this is a beautiful trade at all. If I had waited for the 300, maybe that would have been better. But I think, honestly, this trade was average or subpar. And I'm just glad I didn't lose a lot of money on this trade. So that's going to be it for my 17th Trading Challenge video. We've done one live, as you can see, the before and after of this trade. And I've also shown you guys two historical trades. And yeah, hoping to find a really good buying opportunity here for the 18th video. See you guys soon.